you and the earth, the sun, the stars all align. 'Cause perfect didn't feel so perfect. Trying to fit a square into a circle was my life. I defy. Let the rain fall down and make my dreams.
I haven't done that in so long and it feels so good. Why does that feel so refreshing?